Connexoon has been designed to be quick and simple to set up. Let's have a look at what's in the box and how to get you up and running. In your Connexoon pack, you will have the Connexoon hub, an Ethernet cable, a power lead plug, and a quick start guide. First, plug in the power cable to Connexoon using the plug provided. The product is designed to be commissioned with the user's smartphone. If you're installing Connexoon for somebody else and don't have access to their phone or internet, the blinds can be paired manually. When the consumer registers the box and opens the app, the products will be there to identify and rename as they wish. To add them manually, press the program button on the back of the handset. The blind will jog. Choose one of the 6 channels by toggling through with the select button on the back of the Connexoon box. Channel 1, orange LED flashing. Channel 2, red flashing. Channel 3, green flashing. Channel 4, orange double flashing. Channel 5, red double flashing. And Channel 6, green double flashing. Briefly press the Connexoon program button. The paired blind should jog again. This can be repeated for up to 6 products, 1 per channel. More can be added later via the app. For commissioning via smartphone, plug the Ethernet cable into the back of the Connexoon box. The other end is plugged into your internet router. The coloured LED will start red, flash for a while, and then turn green when your Connexoon is good to go. Next, activate your Connexoon box by going to the website www.somfy-connect.com. Alternatively, scan the QR code on the setup instructions to take you straight to the web page. Select United Kingdom as your location country and your preferred language, example English. Click Start Activation. On the next screen, press Activate on the picture of Connexoon. Then insert your unique PIN code printed on the base of your Connexoon unit. Then press Continue. Complete the registration process with your details, email address, etc. to create your Somfy account. Check for the email from Somfy and complete the activation process. Activation is now complete. Download the Somfy Connexoon Window RTS app. This is available for both iOS or Android smartphones. Open the app and log into your Somfy Connexoon account to take control of your blinds, curtains and lights. On first use, the app will ask you for your name. This logs the various users with access to the app. Now we're ready to play. Here is your home page. In the top left-hand corner is our menu bars to access settings. The top of the screen is set to give you information on the weather and temperature at your home location, which you may choose to use to make adjustments to your window coverings. The home screen has 4 set scenario names: coming home, leaving home, solar protection and privacy. These can be configured to operate your blinds, curtains and lights to suit your own personal preferences at the touch of a button. We will come back to look at this in more detail later. At the bottom of the screen, all your connected products are displayed. You can scroll horizontally through the list. Select an end product and operate directly from your phone, like a handset.